You can never say you trust God with a half heart. Only when you have a full heart, pag buo yung puso mo, yan ang tunay na pusong nagtitiwala sa Panginoon. Alam mo yung nagpapahirap for you to receive God's, to put your trust in God full-heartedly? Let's continue reading. Do not depend on your own understanding. You're still depending in your ways. You're still depending on your knowledge. You're still depending on your own understanding. But the scripture says, if you look for me wholeheartedly, you will find me. Definite yan. Why wouldn't you put your trust sa Panginoon? Kung nasa paspala siya, nasa salukuyan siya, at nasa kinakaharap siya. Ibig sabihin, He's worthy to be trusted wholeheartedly kasi nakikita niya yung mangyayari bukas. Don't be like that 10 spies na pinagdudahan yung kaya ng Panginoon. Biruin mo, nakita na nga nila mismo, pinagdudahan pa nila mismo. Kaya sabi na ba nila kasulatan, mapalad na naniniwala kahit hindi niya nakikita.